This video will cover the document library in the Nuventive improvement platform, including file and folder creation and organization. After you've logged into the Nuventive improvement platform, use the bar here at the top or the drop-down menu to navigate to your academic program or support unit assessment plan. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using the institutional effectiveness support unit. Normally I use one of our sample units or programs that we've created, but I wanted to be able to show you some of these documents that will actually be available for use. So just bear with me on that one. But to get to the document library, come over here to the main menu, click on that, and then come down to document library. Once here, you'll see that there are 3 folders that have already been created for your use: historical documents, IE resources, and supporting documents. If we go into historical documents, we'll see that the IE 1819 results and IE 1920 plan PDFs have been loaded for each program and unit for their use. And then in the IE resources, we have here the support unit rubric for our academic programs. That will be the academic program rubric. And those are the rubrics that department heads, direct supervisors, dean, VPs, and the IE representatives will be using to review the assessment documentation and information that's being submitted. So we come back out to the document library. We're here to add a folder, and this is how you add a new folder to support your organization or folder structures. And so we're going to click on add a folder, and it's real simple. Just ask for a name. So for this purposes, I'm just going to name my test folder, and then we're going to come over here and click save. So now you can see I have my historical documents folder, IE resources folder, supporting documents folder, and my test folder. The vertical ellipses next to each of these folders open up and allow you to rename, share, or delete the folder. So that's going to be really helpful in keeping track of your organization in any of these folders that you need to create. But right now we're going to come into the test folder, and I'm going to show you how to add a file or add a subfolder. So to add a file, just click on this Add a File button, and then come up here to choose Files. I have this sample assessment sample documentation that I've created, and so I'm just going to select that and click Open. And it comes down here and it shows me the name of the file and allows a description. So I might just say sample document for 1920 assessment. Be helpful if I spell correctly. And if I don't like the name of that folder or of that file, I can just come in and edit that also. So I'm going to come over here and click Save. So now you can see here within my document library in the test folder, I have this assessment sample documentation. If I want to add a subfolder, I'm going to come over here to this Add a Folder button and click. And it's going to be the same exact process as whenever I added the test folder. This one I may just name subfolder. And come over here and click Save. And so now within my document library for institutional effectiveness, I have my test folder, and then I have this new subfolder. So let's say that I've maybe misnamed that, that is not exactly what I wanted to go with, and come over here and rename it, maybe subfolder 1, and click Save. Or if I want to do away with it entirely, I can come over here and select Delete. And then to come back out to my document library, I'll just click on my program or unit name. And that's really all that there is to that. So if you have any questions or if you need assistance with any of these steps, or with the Nuventive improvement platform, or with conducting assessments, please feel free to contact Institutional Effectiveness or email us at ie@tamuc.edu.